Greetings! This video provides information on how to use WorkZone, an online project management tool used by the Integrated Marketing Communications Department at HACC to manage projects that are submitted through the college's Communications Hub. Please remember that WorkZone and HACC's Communications Hub are two separate sites. I'll be covering the following topics during this tutorial: logging into WorkZone, locating and completing project tasks, locating project files, downloading and uploading files, and communicating in WorkZone. Let's start by logging into WorkZone. There's a direct link to WorkZone in the Office of College Advancement channel in MyHACC, or you can go to hacc.sharedwork.com. Log into WorkZone using your HACC email address. Please note that the password you use to log into WorkZone may be different from the password you use when logging into other HACC applications. The first page that you will see when you log into WorkZone is the Projects page. You'll see a list of many different projects that are currently active in your division or at your campus, as well as the deadlines and tasks that are part of those projects. Tasks that have already been completed will be checked off. Projects are organized by workspaces, campuses, divisions, or departments. You should only be able to view projects for your particular campus, division, or department. You may have access to multiple different workspaces. For instance, I work in the Office of College Advancement, so I can view projects for that division as well as for some other divisions across the college. The Office of College Advancement team member who is assigned to your project will start sending you emails with instructions and updates on your project from WorkZone to your Outlook account. This is an example of what one of those emails looks like. Once you receive the email, the best and easiest way to get to a specific WorkZone file or task is to click the View Online button provided in the email. When you receive these types of emails, please pay close attention to the deadlines that are provided. In this example, I am being prompted to review a document within the next 2 business days. To look at and download the file, I'm going to click the View Online button in the email, and I'm automatically redirected to the item that needs to be reviewed in WorkZone. To download that file, I'm going to click on the blue Download button. After I've downloaded the document, I'm going to make revisions to the content, first making sure that I turn on Track Changes if I'm editing this in Word. That way, the OCA team member assigned to the project can see all of the revisions that I'm going to propose. So I'm going to take just a few seconds right now to edit this content according to HACC style guidelines. Then go back to the same location in WorkZone and upload a new version of the document which shows my proposed changes. To do this, simply click on the Upload New Version button. Make sure that you keep previous versions of the document in case they need to be referred to at a later time. To respond to the email, I'm simply going to click Reply All in Outlook and make sure that I notify the individual who needs to be contacted, and click Send. All communications about the project are logged in WorkZone, as you can see here.
Clicking the small envelope icon in WorkZone also allows you to send an email. After you click on an icon, enter your message, then select the recipients of your message, and make sure that you copy yourself so that you also receive notification of the message in Outlook.
After you have completed a task in WorkZone, it is easy to check off that task as done. In the Reports tab, click on To-Do List. You'll see a list of tasks that need to be completed. To mark a task as done, all I need to do is check the box in the status column, indicating that the task is complete. If you're assigned to a project in WorkZone, you will receive daily to-do list emails with a summary of tasks that are late or that need to be completed soon. This is an example of what one of those emails looks like. You can also mark tasks as complete directly from your to-do list emails by clicking on Mark Complete as shown here. If you have any questions or need any assistance at all, please email imcprojects@hacc.edu. Thank you.